Hey guys, Jerry here with Tiki71. Today I'm going to paint the tiki bar and patio area. I bought some non-slip paint that's designed for concrete and patios. It's actually got some grit in it for non-slip because we were in the pool all the time and having pool parties and stuff like that, so that'll be really handy. Now the first thing I did was actually blew the entire patio down and then I power washed it. I've already got that done. And then the next thing I did was put up painter's tape around the tiki bar and all the areas that I don't want to get paint on. And so next I'm going to cut it in with the brush just in those areas and then get ready for the roller. I have a special textured roller that I'm going to use to apply it in the main areas, and it should give it a really nice look with a pebblestone finish on top. Well, I had to go stop what I was doing and get a much bigger stir. This stuff is like concrete in the bottom of this. Oh, that's much better. The right tool makes all the difference. They say you need to stir it for about 5 minutes.
5 minutes later.
Now we're getting close. That's about the consistency we want there. So with the Rollerrock, you really want the whole thing to have that consistency of a frosty. See there? And if you get in real close, you can start to see that the grit and the pebble stuff is starting to come up to the top. And so that's what we're looking for right there. Something about like that. I'm going to leave the drill and the mixer in the bucket. That way I can keep this thing stirred up. You see this blue deal here? This is actually my water line. It runs from the tiki bar, from the spigot over there to the tiki bar, and then out for my drip irrigation. I hook up to a timer and filter and all that stuff. What I'm going to do with this is I'm just going to get it up and out of the way, and I'm actually going to cut in underneath it, and then I'll stick it back in there. But now it's time to cut in. Alright, I've got it all cut in now. So what I'm going to do now is mix again and then start the roller. With this stuff, what they recommend is you want to deeply get this stuff onto your roller here, the deep part of the tray. You're going to apply medium pressure with it as you go. You don't want it to gum up and not roll. Alright, first coat is done. Alright guys, it's been a couple of days. I got the second coat down, and what a difference that second coat made. It looks so much better. It's been a couple of days. I just got home from work. It's late. I need to put the sealer coat down. I've got a gallon of sealer, and it requires 2 coats of that. You have to put it down within 2 hours of each other. And the other requirement is that the temperature not drop below 50 degrees. The problem I've got is for the next several days, we're actually going to get down into the 30s for lows. So I've got to hold off on that. So basically that's it. After I get the sealer on, I am done. Guys, I want to thank you so much for watching all the way to the end. In the next video, I've got a whole bunch of garden goodies coming in. I'm going to be unboxing. I'm also going to be sharing viewer photos of your projects, tiki bar builds, greenhouses, gardens, things like that. And tomorrow I'm actually going to be unloading that bad boy and getting stuff hardened off, getting ready for the spring here and actual planting. So be sure and like and subscribe so you'll be notified when we have new videos coming out, and we will see you in the next one. Have a great day.